This is how you can add a quiz pop-up on your ClickFunnels site. So the first thing you're going to want to do is log into your Interact account, find the quiz that you are wanting to create the pop-up for, and click on Share and Embed. In this little pop-up here, click on the Pop-up tab. And then you're able to customize the settings of your pop-up. So the background color, things like that. We do recommend at least a 2-second hiatus just to give, a 2-second delay, just to give a bit more attention to the pop-up. And then also a hiatus of 10 days or more. And this simply means if somebody already has seen your pop-up, they won't see it again for another 10 days. So once you have your settings as you would like, you're going to want to toggle on promote this quiz in the pop-up. You are only allowed to promote one quiz in a pop-up at a time. So if you are running multiple quizzes, it's just one pop-up that will be available for you at a time. Once you've toggled this on, go ahead and click copy code, and then you're going to go over to your ClickFunnels site. Now from the homepage, you're going to click on the site that you're wanting to add the pop-up to. Here I am on this page. I'm going to click code up at the top and then click on the header code tab over here to the left. I will paste in the pop-up code here and then hit save up here. Now you won't be able to see the pop-up on this screen here. You're going to want to go into preview mode. So I'm going to click this little I button. And you can see here the quiz popped up, so someone is able to start taking your quiz right away and subscribe to your list. And that is how you add a quiz pop-up to your ClickFunnels site.